Now, a very simple example. Now, a random variable x has the following probability distribution. Now, probability distribution is already given. Random variable x and Px stands for the probability distribution. Now, determine k, x is less than 3 and x is greater than 7. Okay. So, now number 1 for the value k. Now, we have summation for all the probabilities here, it will be 1, it can never be more than 1, it should be 1 always. Okay. So, now we are having, it should be 1 for these things. Okay. Whatever we have written here, result will always be 1. Now for summation of Px is 1. Now we are having x 0, 1, 2, 3 till 7. So, we will be having 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k. And this is equal to what? This is equal to 1. Now, this becomes 7, 2 and 1. 10k square plus we are having now 1k, 4, 6, 8 and 1, 9. Minus 1 is equal to 0. A quadratic equation we are getting. On solving, we are getting k as minus 1 and k as 1 by 10. Now, k is minus 1. So, we are having, when k is equal to minus 1, we have P1 is equal to k and k is minus 1. Okay. Value of k, it can be minus 1, but here it should be a different possibilities then. Okay. So, that is why I am just explaining you what we are doing. Now, P1 they have given P1 is equal to k, but probability of 1, it cannot be minus 1. Okay. So, minus 1 is less than 0, therefore, k is equal to minus 1 is not possible. Is it clear? Hence, k is equal to 1 by 10. First answer. Now, this was simple to explain you how to write it. Now, number 2. Number 2 is probability for x is less than 3. Now, this can be mentioned as probability for x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. Okay. And to this what we can write it? We can write it probability for x is equal to 0 plus probability for x is equal to 1 plus probability for x is equal to 2. Now, p x is less than 3. Now, this becomes x is equal to 0, it is 0. When x is 1, it is k, and when x is 2, it is 2k. So, this becomes 3k. And now, substituting the value of k from part 1, now x is less than 3 is equal to 3 times 1 upon 10, that is 3 upon 10. This is the answer 2. Now, third part. Third part is probability for x greater than 6. Now, this is probability for x is equal to 7, Greater than 6, we are having only one observation, that is 7. Okay. So, and at x is equal to 7, what we are having? 7k square plus k, and this can be written as 7 times 1 upon 10 value of k plus 1 upon 10. Is it clear? So, Px greater than 6 is equal to 7 upon 100 plus 1 upon 10. Now, this becomes 17 upon 100. This is the answer. So, this is a very simple thing. Just this will make this, indeed it will make you to understand probability distribution in a very simple way.